I'm Ann Makovic at the Live News Desk, and we are following the aftermath of a fatal crash in San Francisco this morning. It left one person dead and is now backing up traffic pretty badly. A car and a truck collided at about 3:30 this morning in Park Presidio and California. That is in the city's Richmond district, and that is a pretty heavily used corridor, Park Presidio, during the morning commute. No estimated time of reopening right now, and we haven't heard anything about further injuries besides the one person who has died, but police are still investigating.